It's time to go beyond what a smartphone can do. A complete, singular new design with a massive camera upgrades, the fastest chip ever on a smartphone, and an entirely new category of safety innovations. Introducing iPhone 16 Ultra. The rugged yet lightweight titanium case extends to protect the ceramic shield front. Ultra's design pushes the boundaries so you can do the same. iPhone 16 Ultra now features new solid-state haptic buttons. It has a new front with thinner bezels and a 20% smaller dynamic island. And a new back look with quad camera design. iPhone 16 Ultra comes in 4 gorgeous colors: silver, deep red, jet black, and Sierra blue. It has a 6.9-inch display with the thinnest bezels on a smartphone, and a refresh rate up to 180 Hz. Ultra camera, this is our biggest advancement camera ever. Ultra battery for an incredible 30 hours battery life. Powered by M2, the world's most powerful chip.